Hey everyone, how's it going? Today is another beautiful day. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace iPhone 6s Plus customer's phone battery replacement. The first thing you do is open the bottom two screws. This is one of the things that you have to do on most of the iPhones, and it uses a different type of screwdriver. It's not a Phillips screwdriver. Just Google iPhone screwdriver on eBay, or if you just want to buy it locally, go to one of your electronic shops like Fry's Electronics, Best Buy. I don't know if it have it. Anywhere that have tool sets. Since it's an Apple product, Apple screwdrivers, Apple stores usually have some stuff for it. Disconnect the battery. That's the first thing I like to do. Then we can move to the next step. There are two plates on the phone before removing this LCD. First, you remove the battery connector. Disconnect the battery so you don't have a shortage. Then you go ahead and remove the top where the LCD, the camera connector, flex cable is holding. So that's done. Now what we do is we just go ahead and need to remove the battery. So what I like to do for this case scenario is that I like to heat up the battery from the back. Once you do that, now let it pull one of this. It have three of these things. Let me see if I can bring it closer. Sometimes you have to be gentle. Sometimes you cannot force it. Oh my goodness. Okay, the first one fell. We'll go to the second one. Okay, now we go to the third one. Usually these things come out a lot easier, but since I'm making a video, it's just being a little bit tricky. Well. So that was the first way. Second step, get something. Usually use plastic because you don't want to fracture the battery. It will start smoking everywhere. Now the new battery replacement, what you do is just do this. First, align it. Once you align it, connect it, then you press it to the side. Just move it more, then just press it. Now once you do that, unplug this. Then you go ahead and connect the rest of the stuff. Because now the battery is disconnected, it's safer for you to connect the rest of the stuff. And you don't really have to disconnect the battery, but if you're just starting repairing, you can mess up, because the way you mess up is by when you're connecting the top connectors for the LCD while the battery is plugged in. Certain times you're not able to pinpoint it at the right connection. You'll probably move the connections. It will make shortage, again, grind against other connections, and it can make shortage, and the backlight of the board will go bad and you won't see anything on the LCD itself. Then you'll think, oh, the screen is bad, but actually you made a shortage. Just to be on the safe side, go ahead and disconnect the battery. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Well, since I'm not done with repair, just stay there. Let's see what else we can do. So now, before I close the last two screws, I just want to see if it turns on. Oh, it turns on. That means we're good. We're good. Thank you. Please subscribe. I'll close the last two screws.